What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Welcome to Spy Weekly. Today is September 8th, 2024, Sunday, local time 8:45 p.m. I am on daily charts. I will be analyzing Spy. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. This is my X account where I have been actively posting trades. You can follow me here as well for the latest trades. In today's analysis, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you what I think, and I will try to locate the trades if there are any. I am a price action trader. I do not trade indicators. Indicators are secondary for me. All right, let's start the analysis. First of all, if you look here on daily, all right, trend is almost down on daily, but that doesn't mean that trend is down on higher time frames. But yes, trend is has changed from sideways to down on daily. If I go on weekly, it is kind of sideways. All right, so on weekly, trend for SPY is sideways, and on daily, it's down. Okay, let me turn on the drawings, and then let me move this here, and I will show you what is happening here. So, firstly, what I feel is that we should wait and see what's going on in this week. I'm not going to be touching anything. Last week also, I said that Tesla is a different ball game. I'm not talking about Tesla here, but I clearly said that I'm not going to touch SPY and I'm not going to touch it still because that's the beauty of price action. You need to see where the opportunities are by reading the candles. What I see here is demands. Again, I'm a first of all, if you're listening to me for the first time, let me tell you, I'm a clear cut demand and supply trader. Okay, now the whole point here is demands are breaking. This was broken. This is not, again, it's not a very good demand, but yes, it gave you 1:2 and now it is done. Now this one is already breached. I will show it to you on 4 hours post market, pre market. After hours, you will see that this is gone. So the whole point here is that is why uh, Friday, if you will check my post here on X, I clearly deleted this demand. There was a reason. That is why I deleted this demand. Anyways, uh, now demands are breaking and new supply zones are being formed. This is a supply zone which has been formed. So price action is telling you that okay, we can see a deeper correction. It does not mean that it's gonna fall down tomorrow. No, let price do its thing. But what I do see is, what I can see right now here is that when we had news for CRWD and what else, there were a lot of news when what is that stock, and not NVDA, AMD was falling. All that was happening in this fall. Okay, all those tech stocks were sliding down in this fall. So when price came here, okay, it actually worked from the middle of these two demands. I've discussed these two demands for a very long time. You can go and check the recording. So it came here pre-market, it came, and then it came in the somewhere here, and then it started going up. And this is also your, I'll show you. This is also your weekly structure, not a very good one, but this is also a weekly structure. So now what is happening here is trend was down when price was coming here. Okay, look at this is showing that trend was down when price actually was coming here because they were selling in tech sector itself. Now price moved from the middle of these two zones, somewhere from here. Now when it started going up, what happened here was, if you will go on 4 hours, I'm switching the time frame from daily to 4. So if you will go here, let me put the regular hours. So what was happening in this price action was, this is a 4 hour very poor supply, but then when price is going inside, supplies were working. Okay, this supply actually worked, but this is not, I won't trade this demand at all. But see, price, this supply reacted, very poor supply, it made the price react. So from 5, look at the right side, from 531 it did a low of 518. And trust me, if I'll let me mark it here. So these are regular hours, right? The data is going to change when I will extend the hours. Look at this. Price came further down. Price actually came here. The data, if I put it to regular hours, it's just showing you that price came here. No, post and pre-market data is not available on your regular chart. So for that, you go here and you have to switch the sessions. Okay, so price did come here and then it started going up. Now the whole point here is this is your regular trading hours right now. So what happened here was this supply, poor supply, actually made price react from 531 to 514, $15-16 down. And then this demand started working. Okay, this demand started working, and after that this poor demand also started working, and now price is coming in this 4 hour demand, this one. So the whole point here is trend is down. If price would have visited this demand in an uptrend, I would have traded it. I am saying trend is down on daily, and even on 4 hour trend is down. So the whole point here is selling pressure is not that great, but trend is down, and I will not suggest any of you trading against the trend. And currently, if we look here, supply zones are being formed and demands are being breached. Same thing was happening here when price came and visited these two demand zones. After that, supply started breaking and demand started working right in front of you. And price never made a clear cut demand. Okay. Now, when price got up here, it has hit this top. Very poor supply. But again, this is the origin of this whole fall. That is why pending selling orders could be here. And this is normal. Okay. This is not anything that is abnormal that is being formed here that price has done. So that is why it started falling. Now, I don't want to trade this. I don't want to trade this. I am waiting. And one more thing, what I'll show you on higher time frame is on weekly. Let's go like this. Okay, there is a supply zone that is being formed here on weekly as well. So weekly very very poor supply, very poor supply. But again, it has been formed from the reaction of this. Okay, and this guy right here was already tested from here. If you look here, this was already tested, so it was, anyways it was weak. But whatever pending selling orders were left here, they have pushed the price down. Okay, now now price is coming, this is selling pressure, so price is coming down with a lot of selling pressure if you look on weekly. But if you look on daily, okay, it is, I don't look at it as a selling pressure. If I try to x-ray this weekly candle, it looks like a selling pressure here, but when you go on daily, no, I don't think it's a selling pressure. But the whole point here is demands are breaking. So now the question is, I've explained so much, now what to do. Now what to do is, if you try to read the candles here, this was a very poor supply. Right here, I'm going to put a horizontal line right here. This was a very poor supply. Just look above this orange line now. Okay, so now what has happened is, when price came here and has hit these two demands, what happened was, try to read the candle. It was a green candle, came down and closed here again. This candle gaps up, goes up, hits this 4 hour, comes down. Now now this candle, after this candle gaps up again. So can you see, once prices hit these two demand, after that price has hit these two demands on this candle. Look at the bottom on August 5th. If you will go and check other tech stocks, all of them came together into demands. Now after August 5th, okay, price has gapped up every single day. Gapped up, okay, and then again gapped up. Why? Because these orders were being triggered. Now the whole point here is, we were not getting, like, I found some opportunities, but SPY has a lot of noise. So for who know a basic demand and supply thing, you cannot find opportunities. Now the whole point is, if you try to read this candle, so price goes up, comes down with a lot of selling pressure. Look at the fall here from 531, it came down to 514. So it comes down here, and after that it rallies, comes down and it rallies. So something happened. It comes down, gaps up, and then it never stopped. So it this August 5th candle hits the demand zone. After that, price is no doubt gapping up. But we don't see a proper rally. Even though price is gapping up, we don't see a proper rally. We do see a rally from this candle, and it makes a high of 565. But price came down here and then it started rallying. So now the whole point here is how to trade it. So first of all, trend is down. You should not trade it. You should wait for further price action. Okay, SPY has a very a unique behavior, I should say. So if you're trading this, firstly you should need to understand this, that you'll have to put, let me see here on weekly, you will have to put a stop loss somewhere around here 513. So now if you trade it like this, look at this box is too big, from 535, 534 till 514. This is a very big box. I will never ever trade this. But the point is, if price starts coming inside this box, if price tries to go deeper, then it's a problem. Now, I don't know how you guys trade, but for me, if you're trading without stop loss, it's a problem. So you need to define your stops. And why this stop? Because price actually came here. I'm gonna switch it to regular extended trading hours now. So price, I'm not doing anything. You cannot miss this. So now I'm gonna go back on daily from here. So I said this candle came down on August. Look at the bottom, August 7, and after that you do see a rally. Now when I'm going at 4 hours, I do see the whole point, the whole thing started from here. Okay, so now I will have to extend the box down here. So my stop loss would be under this box. So let me move this line somewhere here. So I would put it in this wick. I'm not telling you the exact, just jokes apart. I'm not telling you the exact stop loss level, but it should be somewhere under here. And then your box is so wide. So this box is not suggested to be traded. But the whole point here is data is telling you that this box is where the actual demand, poor demand is. This is a poor demand. I'm not saying it's one of the greatest demand, very, very poor demand. But the whole rally came from somewhere here, so you cannot leave this. And what I will suggest is, even if it gaps up tomorrow, gaps down day after tomorrow, I don't care. But the whole point is, it can come deeper inside this. Right now you might see an up move or a spike, because the whole tech sector, it's in demand. Same price action I'll show you on the tech sector. So this is the tech sector. Let me go and show you. See, same price action, and price is visiting this poor demand right now, and it can come deeper as well. So I tried to analyze Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, uh, all tech stocks basically, and nothing was showing me a proper trade. Amazon was, and I'm expecting clear cut consolidation in Amazon, but that's what I'm expecting. But the thing is that consolidation doesn't go in like $2-3 range. It goes in bigger ranges as well. So I'm expecting a consolidation in Amazon. But the whole point here is that, yeah, price can come deeper. Okay. And if you're trying to trade this demand in downtrend, that's a problem. And price was, see, you cannot trade against the price action. It was not giving you any entries here. Like, we did find some entries and we did traded it, but I'm telling you, if anybody knows basic demand and supply, it won't give you any entries, because it started rallying up and up and up, okay, from here. But again, it is what it is. You cannot fight with the price action. All you can do is wait and let price do its thing. But now this box is way too big for me, and a lot of people would be trading options. Okay, uh, these are not your option levels. I don't know why you guys are jumping into options, but first focus on the direction, and then, anyways, it can come deeper here as well. And you might see a reaction, because the whole tech sector is in very poor demand zone. Okay, so if you did like the analysis, just make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist, and you can follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. I will post trades. If I do find some opportunities, I will be posting them on the trades on X. But I'm not trading for now. I will be observing, and I will be waiting for further price action, because demands are breaking and new supplies are being formed. All right. So this was it, guys. Take care. Have a wonderful night. We'll see you guys probably tomorrow live in the market. Take care. Bye bye.